Whew, I don't know if you can see, but I am sweaty as fuck right now, making down tubes for this. You buddy, let's check it out. This guy, the crooked tube here, has to fit around that lock bracket right there. It goes right up in this little holder right here, just checking my fitment and stuff. That's looking pretty darn good right there, bud. So yeah, I'll bring that down just a little bit. You know what I mean? A little bit of a gap underneath there. A little more sanding and stuff to make it nice, but that was mitered at 58 degrees. Set up in the jig like this and mitered at 58 right there. Boom. And it looks like it's gonna fit. Really, realistically, that's about as far as I can tilt that one over without having to reposition my vise. So it's gonna have to do, boom, that one there, 2 tubes on this side. Essentially that'll go and meet up with that side. And then there's gonna be one more tube that comes in from the bottom and leans over. That's gonna touch the bottom, easy peasy. And this ALX 13RC hugs that 19-inch wheel right there. And then we hop on it and ride.